Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to make an Among Us unicorn. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Among Us unicorn, we're going to begin right here on the top of our paper. And we want to begin with a line that's just going to go up. It's going to come down and then back up like this. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go back up to here, then bring your line up and connect it. Right underneath here, we want to make the little face shield. We'll start right about here where the hair is. We're going to draw a line that just touches the bottom, and we'll bring it back around and up for the little face shield. Starting right here, we'll make a line that's just going to come down, and I like to curve it in just a little bit. We'll draw a line that comes over. And we'll make a line that comes up for the leg. Starting right here, let's make a line that comes across. Then we'll make a line that comes down. And a line that comes over. Now, starting here at the top, let's make a line that's just going to come down to here for the other leg. Right here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go up and come down for the ear, with another little line that's going to come up and down. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes up. We'll make it come to like a rounded point and then down here for the horn of our little unicorn. And on our horn, let's just add a few little curved lines across here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's just going to come down. It's going to go out and back here. I'll draw another one right here that goes out and comes back. And I'll draw one more that goes out and comes back here. Starting here, we'll just draw a little line that goes down and then in for the pack. Now we want to add a tail back here. So let's begin here. We'll draw a little line that's going to go down and up with a curve. Next, we just want to bring this down and then come back up. Now, starting up here, let's add a few little details. I'm going to begin by just drawing a little line that goes right through the top of the hair. I'll also make another line that comes through here, one right here, and then one more here. I'll also draw a little line that just kind of splits the tail in half. Starting here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to go up, and it's going to come down for the front of our little Among Us character. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little Among Us unicorn. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.